Hey guys, welcome back to Carrosserie Prisme. Today there's three things I want to show you, okay? First of all, we're going to start by having a look at an Audi S5. It got a little scratch on the side, we'll have a look at that. Also, I'll explain a little how we fix it here. We do it a little differently than other places would to ensure the quality at the end of the product, okay? After that, we're going to go have a look at Wrangler, the Wrangler that we saw in a couple of videos. So I'm going to go show you guys how it's doing right now, what's done and what's left to do. Then we're going to go have a look at a Porsche 928. Actually, it's a 1990 Porsche 928. So follow me, let's start with the Audi. Something special on this Audi S5. Follow me in the back. I want to show you on this one. This one actually got a little scratch. Well, not a little scratch. It got a pretty big scratch on this side. Here you see the guy rubbed onto something. I don't really know what it is, but he showed up like this. And basically what we do on this is that we gotta take this panel out because the panel was inwards like an inch or so. So let me tell you about something special we do here. Other places that you could go, they have two special things that they can do, okay? First of all, they could weld a little metal piece like this one here. They would weld it on and then put it back at its place, and they would just cut it off. That means it could form some rust, it can form a deformation at that place. Also what could happen is other places would heat it up very high in temperature, and then they would tap it out, okay? When you heat up metal like this, it's gonna lose its strength. That's not something you don't want, especially not on a car like this. So what we do here is something very special. We take a heat gun, like a glue gun, and basically what we do is, if you wanna come a little closer, what we do here is that we glue on these little pieces, and then what happens is that we have a metal piece like this one, okay? This basically, you clip it on like this, and then you tap it out, okay? Okay guys, so this is the Jeep Wrangler that we've been seeing a couple times on these videos. So I'm gonna give you a little update where we're at. So we tried to fix the front fender. Unfortunately, it was a little too complicated, things with a lot of details that we couldn't do. So what we decided to do is we decided to order a new one. The owner of this car told us it's better to order a new one than just to fix it, and might not be perfect. And then on this side here, what we did is that actually we put some body filler. We added some body filler everywhere, so now you can see, before the video, before this one, it was a little rough. The product wasn't very sampled, it wasn't very nice like it is right now. As you can see, there's a little dust on it, but that's okay. We're gonna clean that up. We're gonna put some primer, paint all of it, change the fender, put back the two doors. The two doors had a little dents and stuff, so we're just gonna fix this. And that's it. So I guess I'll give you a little update next time too. I think the final product is coming up pretty soon. It's gonna be very nice. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Hey guys, this is a Porsche I was talking to you about. It's actually a Porsche 928 S4. So on this one, there's a couple of cool things I want to talk to you about. So on this car, what we did is that we changed the windshield sprayers. Also, on this car, there's 4 sprayers in front, okay? So you got these 2 up there for the windshield, and down here, you got these 2 small ones. That's for the headlight, so it cleans off the headlight if you're running like a rally or I don't know what, you know, something dirty when it gets dirty, whatever. Okay? So if we move a little more on the back here. So on this car, what we did is that we did the rear bumper. So we painted the rear bumper. The rear bumper here, we had to take off the lights. The lights on this side we had to take off. We painted the rear bumper. I think it looks very nice. Also with this massive wing, this car looks very good. So if we move back on this side, you can see that they have like rims, mags on this car. These are actually 3-piece rims, so you can just unbolt them and they'll come off with 3 pieces. Let me show you a little cool thing on the inside. So here inside this Porsche, we got something I really like. It's called the manual transmission. You guys know what I'm talking about. Have a listen at this one. You can hear the gears getting in. It's like in a Porsche GT3. Oh my god. It's so satisfying, this thing. Something that really surprised me about this car is that look at these huge dials. It's like, how blind do you have to be to get these on and off? It's just really big, and that's on both sides here. Actually, I was in this car a couple minutes ago, and I was looking for how to get the window down. I was looking on the door. There's nothing on the door here, and then I was looking around me, and then I saw them right here in the middle. It's something that you don't see often, but it's very handy, especially when you're driving this car. You could have it right next to the stick shift because you're trying to shift, and it's going to be right next to it, so it's very handy. It's not that far that you have to take your hand off the steering wheel so far. The radio is a little old. This was actually a new radio that they put on, and the climate change, come have a look at it. It looks very old and quirky a little. So that's it for this one, guys. I'll meet you on the next one. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching. A little thing, I would like you guys to leave a comment under what you really like. Do you prefer watching our vlog videos, a little talking about cars? Or would you guys prefer more like how-to videos, how to take off a handle, a mirror, a bumper? I'll make more of whatever you guys want, okay? For this one and for the other ones, please subscribe and like the video. Click on the bell button so you guys can get updated every time we do a video. Thank you guys.